My name is Nicole Fields. I am a second-year graduate student in the College of Public Health. I'm from Nashville, Tennessee, where I attended Vanderbilt University for my undergrad. I received a Bachelor's of Arts in Psychology and a minor in Spanish. So I was in a Survivorville conference in August of 2014, and it was a conference to honor women who had survived breast cancer as well as other forms of cancer. And at that conference, I spoke with a woman who told me about UK and that I should apply or at least look into the college. So I studied UK's website and I thought, why not go ahead and schedule a visit? I'm only 3.5 hours away. So I scheduled a visit. I got to speak with Miss Carter, who is wonderful. She's the director of admissions, very sweet woman, very giving woman, very nurturing and helping me navigate the admissions process. She was with me every step of the way. I also spoke with Dr. Chestnut, who is no longer with us at the College of Public Health, but she was instrumental in helping me decide if epidemiology at this point in time was the right move for me in terms of career choices. And I got to speak with a student. So I got that 3-tier experience. I got to speak with the director of admissions, I talked to a faculty member as well as a student. So I got that student perspective, which really sold me on the campus. Plus it's a beautiful campus, it's a beautiful city, so I knew that UK was the perfect fit. I love the cohesiveness. I love the family aspect. I love that cohorts, really it's a competitive program. It's a very competitive program to get into. But the program also is very nurturing. People love to work together. We have an open door policy here at UK in which if any faculty member's doors are open, you are more than welcome to go in, whether you want to chit chat about life or you have a question about a class. And I love that inclusive experience. I love the inclusive feel that makes you feel at home. Currently, I work with Dr. Eddins, who is an assistant professor in the Health, Behavior, and Society department here at the College of Public Health. And what we're looking at right now, I just completed a couple of literature reviews, so I conducted analysis, and I also completed annotated bibliographies concerning lung cancer screening as well as gamification of health. If you're unfamiliar as to what gamification is, it's basically the use of video game aspects in a non-video game setting. So taking like badges, leaderboards, achievements, points, levels, implementing those into a non-video game context like schools and education, healthcare, businesses, that sort of thing. So currently I'm actually in the process of applying for a PhD in epidemiology. My plan is to then go on, receive that PhD and do social epidemiology. I really love the Health Behavior Society portion of it, which is my concentration here at the college. I love that aspect in terms of working with communities and working in healthcare and working in disparate populations. Particularly my focus would be with health disparities, as that's a really big problem, especially racial disparities, and also LGBT disparities are becoming quite common now. So I really want to work with those communities one-on-one and really work with them to gain their trust. But also I do love the research aspect of it, to do the epidemiology, to understand what the problem is, and then develop interventions that I can therefore go and implement. In my spare time, I'm an avid video gamer. I'm an avid workout enthusiast. I work out about 5 times a week. And I love to sing. I love to hang out with friends and family and shop and just I love football, so you'll see me at a UK football game or even a UK basketball game. So when applying to UK, I would definitely say do your research. Read their website thoroughly, make sure you know all the deadlines and all the information you need, and also really make sure that you're work with Ms. Carter. She's very valuable. She's an asset to you in the admissions process as she is the director. So it's very important to work with her. She'll answer all your questions. And also about faculty members. Look at CVs of the faculty members in the college to see if your research interests mesh with their research interests, and that way you can get involved, because we want you to get involved. Don't just get a degree, get involved. Research somehow, get involved.